Good morning, everyone. My name is Justin Jose Thomas, and my registration number is UR15CA031. Today, I got an experiment in Java. It states about that uh, in a class of 5 students are there, and each students need select 3 subjects for allocated list. And the lists are like this: Java programming theory and lab, C++ theory and lab, database theory, and compiler design theory. So every student needs to take 2 theory subjects and 1 lab subjects. First part is, if a student wants to select a theory subject which is having lab, he or she need to select both. While subject selection, if a student selects a lab separately without theory, it will be allocated for the students. And part is more than 3 subjects are allowed for every student. So constraints, a class and object needs to be used, and array can be used. Get in and put out methods need to be used in the program for getting input from user and displaying the output. So control statements can be used in the solutions. These are the things, and a simple example is given. The name is Wilson Raj and the registration number is 15CA004. For that, I've made a program. I'll show you that. Here I'm using a package of Java second, then importing java.util.scanner. It's a syntax which we have to write. A class I have made, name of subject, it's public. For that, I am taking a new scanner system.in for inputting the variable. A string is there, name. It can take up to 5 digits. String registration number, again new string of 5. Then string of subjects. These are the subjects which it was given the question. Options, new options, 3 options you can select at a time. For void get input, for inputting the data from the user, I am passing an argument integer a. Then a for loop is going to start. In that for loop, int I equals to 0, the starting is 0 and it should be less than a, which the user will enter and it will be incremented plus plus. Then system.out.println, it will show the print, it will print the enter name, then that name will be stored in that index and scan.next line, it will come to the next one. For integer I equals to 0, I should be less than a, I plus plus, again a for loop. In that it will display the registration number and same thing will happen, the registration number will be shown. Then the option part is showing. In that option you have to select whether it's first one or the second one. If the index is 0, it will be first. If the index is 1, it will be second. Similarly for 0 for second and 1 for 1. Then it will show you that only 3, 4, 5 and 6 options are left for you because you have select first and second. Now for option 3 and 4, then it will show 1, 2 and 5, 6 options are left. As per the user enter the options, it will show the left ones. Then choice for 5 and 6 and it will show choice left. That's only for printing the details. I have given the put out function in that argument a is passing. For that I am created a for loop, int I equals to 0, I should be less than a and I will be incremented. Then it will print the name, registration number, and for j equals to 0, it will tell the subjects option which you have chosen. Then static void main is the main function where we have to write the scanner. Here the system.out.println, the subjects list will be printed and the names. Then int a equals to scan next integer. Then subject sc is a new object which we are creating for taking the values for the subjects, and then it will show the output. I'll just run so you can see here. Here the subjects list are being shown, then how many students you want to enter. So if you want to enter 2 students, you just press 2. Enter the name Justin. Another name you can enter as Raj. Then registration number you have to enter UR15CA031, and UR15CS025. Then showing the enter your options. What are your options that you have to choose? You have to enter that. So option 1. So I have entered 1. So 3, 4, 5, 6 options are left. Then second. So after that you can see here. Then registration number. Sorry, the name is equals to Justin. Registration number is this, and you have opted for Java Lab, C++ Theory, and C++ class. For registration number 2, that is Raj. Same thing it will be shown. So thank you for watching my video.